Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to do Article 1 to Article 4 of Indian Constitution with all the clauses in them. Let's get started. Article 1 of Indian Constitution talks about name and territory of India. So Clause 1 of Article 1 says that India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. As we all know that there were many members in Constituent Assembly. Some suggested traditional name as Bharat and some suggested the modern name India. So it's written, India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. Now here, union of states means that इंडियन स्टेट्स किसी भी हालत में इंडिया से अलग हो नहीं सकते. They are meant to be with India and they are meant to be the union of states, India. Now, Clause 2 says that the states and the territory thereof shall be as specified in the first schedule. It says that Clause 2 of Indian Constitution specifies that states and their territories shall be defined in the first schedule of the Constitution. Clause 3 says that territory of India shall comprise of territories of states, union territories that are specified in the first schedule, and such other territories as may be acquired. Article 2 talks about admission or establishment of new state. Article 2 says that Parliament may by law admit into the Union or establish new states on such terms and conditions as it thinks fit. It says that Parliament can make any Union territory or territory acquired as a state of India. Now here is Article 2A that says that India was admitted in Indian Union on 26 April 1975 by using Article 2. Next we have Article 3 that talks about formation of new states and alteration of areas, boundaries or names of existing states. It says that Parliament may by law form a new state by separation of territory from any state or by uniting two or more states or parts of states or by uniting any territory to a part of any state. As we all know that Telangana was formed in 2014 by separating it from Andhra Pradesh. Next clause we says that it can increase the area of any state, it can diminish the area of any state, alter the boundaries of any state or alter the name of any state, provided that no bill for the purpose shall be introduced in either house of the parliament except on the recommendation of the president and unless where the proposal contained in the bill affects the area, boundaries or name of any of the state. 1. And the bill has been referred by the President to the legislature of the state or expressing its views thereof within such period as may be specified in the reference or within such period as the President may allow and the period so specified or allowed has expired. Proviso to Article 3 requires the President to refer any bill relating to the formation of a new state or alteration to existing states to the state legislature for their views. Article 3 grants Parliament the power to form new states, alter boundaries, alter names of existing states. The President is responsible for referring the bill to the relevant state legislature, and the President also specifies a period within which the state legislature must express its views on the bill. If the state legislature doesn't express its views within the specified period, the bill can proceed without their formal approval. The proviso aims to provide a check on Parliament's power and ensures that views of the affected states are considered before any changes are made. Next we have Article 4 of Indian Constitution. Clause 1 says that any law referred to in Article 2 or Article 3 shall contain such provisions for the amendment of the first schedule and the fourth schedule as may be necessary to give effect to the provisions of the law and may also contain such supplemental, incidental and consequential provisions including provisions as to representation in Parliament and in legislature or legislatures of the state or states affected by such law as Parliament may deem necessary. Clause 2 says that no such law as aforesaid shall be deemed to be an amendment of this Constitution for the purpose of Article 368. So, in order to sum up Article 4, we can say that in order to implement Article 2 and Article 3, Parliament do not need any constitutional amendment. Such laws can be passed by a simple majority and by ordinary legislative process. Thank you everyone, and I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestions, any views or anything, you can comment. Thank you.